Maybe I just like pink, okay? Do you ever think of that? No, because you only think about one hoe.
Darcei!
Hey guys! What's up? It's your favorite. Well, wait a minute. Something's missing. Oh snap, there's a hole in this one. Hey guys! What's up? It's your favorite bald-headed bitch. Back at it again with another video. I'll admit I'm a little late on this trend, but what else is new, okay? Tell me something I don't know. Today I will be turning myself into Jugyeong from True Beauty. Now if you're wondering, what in the heckaroonie is True Beauty? I'm gonna tell you right now. It's a very popular webtoon turned into hit Korean drama that took the world by storm this winter. Basically, it's about a girl who gets bullied for her looks, so she decides to transform herself using the power of makeup. It's a wonderful, heartwarming story about finding your true beauty. Or something like that. I don't know, I didn't finish it. And of course, there are two hot guys to choose from. Are you team Suho or team Sojun? Let me know in the comments down below. No wait, let me know who you think I would choose. Alright, so when you Google Lim Jugyeong, this is the first photo that pops up. She's got on like this peachy, corally toned makeup, very soft and natural looking. Oh my god, is that a Chanel boy bag? She got money. So what I'm getting from this is that we need to look very natural, but also completely different. Luckily, this is my specialty. So I did watch the first half of the drama and I distinctly remember this scene where she is getting rid of her big bushy eyebrows. So that's what we're gonna do now. In order to transform myself into a true beauty, I'm going to have to not look like this. That's step one. So first, we're gonna have to use this on all of this. We're going to eliminate some of the hairs around the perimeter of the brow. Ever so softly. My eyebrows literally grow into my hairline. Why are you so close to each other? Please stop touching. Leave room for Jesus. Then I gotta pluck the unibrow, because I do prefer to have two eyebrows instead of one. My brow lady's gonna kill me, because I am plucking way too much of my brow off right now. But listen, it's not my fault. I'm just gonna blame Doug Ford when she asks me. Next thing we need to pluck is the chin hairs down here. I think there might only be one for some reason. That's weird. That's suspicious. No, wait, there's two. Ow. Ow. Painful yet satisfying. And lastly, we must shave the mustachio. I haven't shaved my mustache in a long time because I've just been in my house eating bagels. Rub a little something, something. Don't ask what this is. Don't ask. It's in my nose. Just kidding, it's just conditioner. Makes it sound shady. I look crazy. Because I am. And yes, I use a pink razor. I pay the pink tax. Maybe I just like pink, okay? Do you ever think of that? No, because you only think about one hoe. I know my audience. Smooth. Next, I'm gonna apply some serum onto my face because it's feeling kind of dry after all that shaving. Oh, that's cold, damn. And this is the perfect time to pull out the gua sha. This is my favorite thing ever. The gua sha face tool from Sichu. Link will be in the description. Not sponsored, it's just awesome. Because Jugyeong has that V-line face shape that I do not have. My head literally looks like a potato. Potato, gang gang. So we've gotta shape this potato head into submission. Jugyeong has that really sharp, angular, perfect bone structure. Why is she ugly again? This is my secret as to why I look 15 when I'm actually 30. Just kidding, it's because I'm black. Now we're just gonna put on a little bit of moisturizer. This is the photo that we are going off of, guys. So it's a very peachy, pinky look, and the lips are like pretty red. So we're gonna try and replicate this. Yes, I'm gonna try and look like a cartoon today. Don't judge me! All right, so first thing you wanna do is make your face as smooth as possible, okay? I don't wanna see a single pore, which is why we have the No Problem Primer, period. I'm running out of this thing again. I gotta dig it out like this, oh God. Reminder to put this on my grocery list. Oh yeah, that's smooth. Oh yeah. I feel myself turning into a cartoon character already. Next, we're gonna apply a natural looking foundation, maybe slightly lighter than our skin tone. So I'm gonna grab this foundation from Rare Beauty. This is in the color 430W. I like this foundation because it has a natural finish, but it also gives you coverage. So I put on a lot because while we do want to look natural, we also want to look completely different. I'm going to blend this out with a Beauty Blender sponge. You can use any sponge you want. We just want to use this instead of a brush because the sponge gives a more natural finish. Make sure you blend it down to your knot. The base is going to be very important because it's pretty much the whole makeup look. Already, our skin tone looks more even. I'm putting it on my eyelid because my eyelids are already dark and I want to have a very even base. I'm also putting it on my lips because I want my lips to be more even too. Okay, so once we have our foundation base on, we're going to put on our concealer. So this is the color Mocha. Creole Lady Marmalade. Yeah, this is the color Mocha from the Born This Way Too Faced collection. I'm slapping it on there, guys. Jugyeong has a lot to hide. I'm gonna guess that her concealer is 10 layers thick. As usual, I'm going to let this sit. In the meantime, we're gonna do our eyebrows. We want more natural looking eyebrows, so I'm gonna use an eyebrow pencil. This is the issue that I have with every single Korean makeup look I do. I do not have straight eyebrows. My eyebrows just don't do that. Like, what do you want from me? You want me to shave them off? My eyebrow lady would kill me. So we're gonna do the best we can with what we have. Instead of brushing my eyebrow hairs up, I'm brushing them like more downward into the side. Guys, I don't think this is working. I don't think it is. I think my eyebrows look exactly the same as they always do. I feel like my eyebrows were not meant to be straight, and forcing them to be so is inhumane. Now I'm gonna blend out my concealer and hopefully it will look a lot better than my eyebrows. So what we're really doing now is just highlighting the points of our face that we want to stand out. So our nose bridge, underneath the eyes, the forehead, the chin, that's the whole face. But definitely not these eyebrows. You know what? They're not that bad once you get concealer around them. They're not that bad. I want to create an angular motion because I need my face to be lifted like Jugyeong's is. I need her perfect bone structure. I do not have that. So we're gonna have to recreate it with makeup. She's also like 15 years younger than me, so please take that into account. So we're looking very glowy and magnificent right now. Let's ruin it all with powder. I'm going to apply powder to the sides of my nose. This is gonna give it a contoured look. And then I'm gonna take some setting spray and just finish that all off. I'm gonna take the Dry Bouquet palette from 3CE and I'm gonna grab this color down here, this pink color, and we're gonna use that as our base. You're gonna wanna follow your own eye shape here so that the makeup looks flattering on you. Don't forget, we're trying to emulate the makeup style of a cartoon character. And I do not look like a cartoon character. So we're just doing a makeup style that will suit our individual faces because you are beautiful. You are the true beauty. Sweep that underneath as well. Why am I whispering? This is my apartment. I'm alone. I can yell if I want to. Then for some dimension, we're gonna grab this color, a pinky brown, and we're just going to ever so softly apply that to the lash line and also the outer corner. Then I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm going to dip it into this color here, this very light pink. Apply that to the lid. And of course, underneath. Now, for eyeliner, I think I want to start with eyeshadow. So I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to take this color right here from my Morphe 350 palette. And I'm just applying this to the lash line. The biggest joke in this whole drama is that apparently no one could tell that she was wearing makeup. Okay, like makeup does not perform miracles, sweetie. Now I'm gonna take an actual eyeliner. This is from, where's this from? The Face Shop. Just a brown eyeliner. because black is a little too harsh. I'm just taking a brown liner and going right across the lash line. Sorry if you guys can hear my stomach rumbling. A bitch is hungry. Okay, I like the way this is coming out, guys. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes. My lashes have actually started growing, guys. I don't know why, out of nowhere, they just decided to grow. And I'm going to use a mascara from Pat McGrath. Don't want to put on too many coats because I don't want it to look too thick. I'm not trying to look thick today, ladies. I know, it's weird. And now to make up for the fact that I don't have very many eyelashes, we're also gonna use some fake eyelashes. Individual fake eyelashes, which I don't have very much experience with, so this will probably be a disaster. As you can see, I was practicing a little bit earlier, so I think I can do it. If you look very closely at the photo, you can see that the very outside corner of her eye has all the lashes, you know? It's not the whole thing, it's just like, whoop. Cartoon characters are weird, but we're gonna do it. I don't understand people who can just plop on individual lashes like they're nothing. This is literally the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Strip lashes are so much easier because they just plop on all at once. But like individual lashes, and like it doesn't even curl properly. I am distraught. I am literally having a crisis right now. Fuck! Does that look stupid? I don't know. And it takes so long. I could have just put a fucking strip lash on and taken 2 seconds instead of putting each bitch. But it looks more natural, Darcei. I'm trying to put on 3 at once. I think it's working. I feel like I need a degree to be able to do this. I feel like I'm performing brain surgery. Is that even on? I don't know. That is good enough. Let's start contouring. I'm gonna take this Kylie contour stick. Why is it so dirty? Ew. I'm gonna take this stick. This is in the color Bronze Deep. This is the second darkest color, and I'm just taking this because I don't want it to be too dark. Once again, we're trying to look natural, but also completely different. Also going to take it down the nose. I know that's a dangerous game, guys, but we're playing it. Simply because I want to have a small, tiny baby nose. Just gonna start blending. We're gonna blend it into the hairline. Get it on your wig cap, girl. Really getting that V line now. Oh my God, I think it's working. Yes, yes, it's coming together. I'm starting to see it. I'm starting to see the vision. I'm starting to see the true beauty. Ah! Contouring the nose is a very delicate procedure. It must be done with the utmost care. Honestly, I don't know if that did anything. For now, we're gonna move on to blush. So I'm gonna take this blush from ColourPop that I have. This is called Underclassmen, and I'm going to put it onto a brush. I know it's a cream blush, and you can use your fingers, but I want to use a brush this time. Let's check out the placement that she has. Looks like it's like right under the eyes and then swept upwards. So that's what we're gonna do. This is like a very natural nude looking blush. Ooh, that's very nice. And then I think I want to mix it with Hollyhock from 3CE. You guys knew that was coming. So, oh, that was a lot. So that it's more pink. The highlighter that I have is this one from ColourPop, the giant one that I always use. This is the color The Real Thing. And go down the nose. For lipstick, I pulled out all my pink corally colors, but I think I'm going to take this color called Mellow Flower from 3CE. This is a classic. I'm just going to start lightly tapping it on. Cute. I do want to, I think, put a little bit more concealer under my eye. I know, it's a dangerous game, I know, but dot. That's all, I swear to God. I'm trying to look as cartoonish as possible, and I feel like that helps quite a bit. Oh yes, this is it, honey. Oh, I'm starting to look unreal. How cute am I? How cute am I right now, huh? Tell me, let me know in the comments below. And then to top it all off, I'm going to take this color from Roman. What is it called? Oh no, it's in Korean, I don't know. Just kidding, it's called Nudie Peanut. That's a really strange name. I'm going to just apply that to the center of my lips. Now it's time to put on our hair and our outfit. Let's get out of this shirt, huh? You guys know the drill. I'm about to get naked. Okay, don't look. Don't look at me. You nasty. Woo! I'm going to put on a padded bra because for some reason, Jugyeong is stacked like a brick house. She's a brick house. Oh boy. Next, we've got to put on her iconic pink sweater. We're almost there, guys. Time for the hair. Ugh. Perfect. All right, let's get some of this hair out of the way so that we can start curling it properly. Jugyeong just has very soft waves in her hair, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna take this section by section and go through the whole wig until we have some nice, natural looking waves. And this is our true beauty look, guys. Purse and all. I do not have a Chanel boy bag. It is Coach though. Come on, that's pretty expensive. I think I did pretty well. This is a really cute transformation and it's a really nice everyday makeup look too. I think I look very natural, but also completely different. But of course, let me know your opinions in the comments down below. And I know you're all wondering, okay, Darcei, which guy are you gonna choose? And I know I'm gonna disappoint at least half of you, so this is a lot of pressure. But I'm Team Suho. I think I'm really into the quiet, soft-spoken loner. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking about my preferences for fictional characters and let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one, which is just gonna be in 2 seconds, because you're just gonna click one of these. Don't forget that I love ya so much.